Hi, this is Matt Dimitroshin of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending of October 18th of 2019. It was a mixed week on Wall Street as the S&P 500 appreciated 0.5%, while the Dow Jones Industrial average retreated 0.2%. The Nasdaq Composite rose 0.4%, while small caps, as measured by the Russell 2000 index, were up a healthy 1.6%. The market action was largely driven by company-specific news as third-quarter earnings reports began to trickle in. Within the S&P 500, 7 of the 11 sectors rose, led by healthcare, real estate, and financials. Financials were helped by better-than-expected earnings from money center banks such as JPMorgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup. Transports also did well, with J.B. Hunt and Kansas City Southern both having strong gains following their earnings results. Healthcare stocks benefited from better-than-expected earnings out of healthcare insurer United Health Group. Drug distributors such as Cardinal Health, McKesson, and AmerisourceBergen also lifted on news of a $50 billion settlement that was being discussed around opioid litigation. Johnson Johnson, however, dropped in Friday's session on a news report that it had recalled 33,000 bottles of baby powder that contained traces of asbestos. Energy stocks lagged along with technology on the week. Technology was impacted by IBM's earnings report, which showed softer than expected sales. Economic news was light on the week, but the reports issued were not overly positive. U.S. retail sales were down 0.3%, while China's third-quarter GDP number came in showing 6% growth, its slowest growth rate in 27 years. However, it still remains the envy of most of the rest of the world. Markets are now assigning an 89% probability to a Fed rate cut at its next meeting on October 30th. Treasuries were quiet on the week as the 2-year Treasury yield fell 3 basis points, and the 10-year Treasury yield was flat, closing at 1.75%. The dollar fell 1.1% on the week. As you can see from the chart here, that was a notable decline as relative to the trends we've been experiencing. Crude oil fell 1.8% on the week to close just below $54 a barrel. As we look ahead for the coming week, Brexit remains a key topic, and earnings reports will continue to trickle in throughout the week. That concludes the week in review for the week ending October 18th of 2019. Thank you, and have a good week.